Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your font size on Windows 10 and 11. Now, what is font size, you may be asking? It is the size in which all text on your PC are written in. So, as you can see here, it's 737, Friday, March 3, 2023. Mine is quite small at the moment, but the higher you make it, the bigger the text will be. So, generally, you want to higher this depending on your eyesight, or for people who wear glasses, or just in general for people who have struggles with their eyesight, this can be quite useful. So to begin, we're going to navigate down to the bottom left on our Windows Start, and we're going to press on it. From there, on the top, you can find the settings button. We're going to press on that. Once we're delivered into settings, the next thing we want to do is find the ease of access tab, narrator magnifier high contrast, press on it, and we should be on the first page. Now, on the first page, click on display just to make sure you're on it. You could be on this one or this one. Just make sure you're on display. From there, make text bigger. So this is our sample text. And as you can see, the bigger I make it. So as you can see, this is the biggest it can be. Once I press on apply, as you can see, everything has gotten bigger. And you can see just in general, all the text has gotten bigger. So you can make this small again. This is the sample text. You can make it 120. Let's apply that. This is quite a nice one, but personally I like it at 100%, which is the lowest value. So there you have it. That is how to change font size on Windows 10 and 11. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.